All right,
So
perfect,
now you can
perfect.
share your screen, Devin, and
Yeah, I got
I mean, we can hop on, get active. Any questions, anything, whatever, here for
you. Y'all can see it.
Yeah.
bro.
Alright. So yeah, like Vontae said, bro, I just started trading US 30, so I caught like I ain't really like trade USD CAD like that since like last week, I wanna say. But I caught like one trade. It was really like this buy. But the thing about UCAD, like this shit, I don't know if you know, but it's like it's inversely operated with oil. So like, cause you know how like Canada is like one of the major producers of oil for the United States. So usually when the oil prices go down, like if you pay attention to like the news and stuff, you know how they do like the little oil inventories and stuff like every week.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you just pay attention to that, really like whenever the oil prices go down, like usually that weakens CAD. So the UCAD to shoot up, you know what I'm saying, and strengthen the dollar. And whenever the oil prices go up, Canadian dollar, is more valuable, so it goes up, and then the United States dollar is weaker. So I'll just show you like an example of that. So like anytime like I'm trading, it's like I just look just to see like where the oil price is at and everything. You see what I'm saying? Though, you see how it's inversely operated. See, we on an
Yeah.
uptrend
Oh
of
wow.
oil. Yeah, we on an overall uptrend of oil right now. Not overall, but just like a minor right now. And then on USD,
Okay.
we real bearish. You know what I'm saying? So usually I just kind of get
Okay.
like a feel for it or whatever. I'll mark it up just to see like where we can have like some type of breaks or structure or something, just to see where we can start just transitioning back on the USD CAD side. So it's not really nothing major. You know what I'm saying? You're not really trying to trade it. You're just trying to find something. You know what I'm saying? So I do something like this. And then once I see this trend line break or something and it's going bearish, then okay, now, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you look at USD CAD, but I'm keeping that in the back of my mind. You know what I'm saying? It's not like okay, this going bearish, so now I'm just gonna go buy USD CAD. You know what I'm saying? It's not nothing like that. It's like it's just something you keeping in mind. So let me go look and see which one it was that I had caught. It was a 28. Yeah, see, this the last time I traded that boy. All right, so shit, just right here, like I saw that we was just in an overall downtrend, right? And
Yeah.
then I'm pretty sure you remember like from the 5 day course, like Q was very like strong like on them trend lines and shit like that. So whenever you saw an opportunity, like when it started making lower highs and stuff like that, just plot your trend line. So you know what I'm saying? You got your point A right here. Oh shit, that's wrong too. You got your point A right here, point B right here, and then you got your point C right here. So until this trend line was broken, like we're still like, looking for sales, or like we're still expecting this to be like a bearish market. So I think I drew this trend line really off the 1 hour. It was a little bit more accurate. Yeah, so you see what I'm saying? It's more accurate with the 1 hour. You can
Oh yeah.
see
That's
how,
perfect. Yeah.
yeah, how prices are respecting it. So and yeah, usually I tend to draw my trend lines like on a 1 hour, 4 hour. And the thing about USD CAD, bro, like when it come to patterns, like it respect the fuck out of it. Like symmetrical triangles, ascending triangles, descending triangles, channels, wedges, like everything. When it comes to that, bro, like it respect it. Like it's crazy.
Okay.
So yeah, just going back to that. So I saw that. So I didn't really have no type of no bullish bias until I saw this trend line break. But there's also like other little things that you can see that'll give you some type of hint, showing you that it was ready to transition. We already at a weekly key level. You know what I'm saying?
Hmm.
So you see that you got a weekly key level. And I just go back up there. So you can see like in the past, bro, like we haven't broken this shit like in forever, bro. And this all the way from February 2019. So that should tell you like this is like a real strong support. So that should give you on some type of hint, also some type of transition. And then on the 4 hour, I already got it marked up right here. But you can see we made some type of higher low point, right? So when
Yeah.
you see that higher low point, it's telling you that we're starting to get some type of buying pressure. Because usually when you're on a downtrend, like what you expecting, like lower lows and lower highs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this time, instead of it making a lower low, it actually made a higher low.
High, so
Yeah.
momentum.
Yeah. So yeah, it's showing you that the bears are starting to slow up a little bit. So I do like this little thing right here, just like keep in mind like what's going on and shit like that. So I had saw that, and then also once again, what I'm saying, trend lines, what I'm saying. I got this one off the 1 hour too. My point A was right here. Point B again. So I actually didn't end up catching it until like it got over here though. So I saw that we broke this previous lower high. You know what I'm saying? I saw that we broke that. So once we broke that, okay, I know that the trend is now reversed. And now we expecting it after we made this new higher high, now we expecting a higher low. So you could really do your fibs if you want to. I really don't even use them that much anymore. But you can see that it was a 61.8. So that's kind of like that golden ratio, And then also like I like to use like a lot of exhaustion zones. So cause sometimes it's hard for you know what I'm saying? Like price, when you draw this random line, like price not like really ever gonna stop like just right there and jump all the way up. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
I use like zones for like a just like a bigger area, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So I won't just like think, it's just gonna hit this area and bounce up because that's not realistic. So these are really just my confirmations that I have so far. We had a weekly support. We made a higher low in this 4 hour time frame. We broke the previous lower high, and then we also have a 61.8 fib retracement, and we have a trend line touch. So so what's that like? What, 5 confirmations so far?
Yeah. I
So you
think
should have plenty of confidence. You know what I'm saying, to take this trade. So you just jump down to the lower time frames right here. Now, like I said, trend lines again. You know what I'm saying? I think I drew this off of the 15. Usually, like when I'm entering, it just depends what's clear or not. But I think the 15 was just like a little bit more clear. Like it went too choppy. You know what I'm saying?
okay.
So yeah. And then what I wait for, like I don't know if you remember it, but like in the 5 day course, like like this was when was yours? Yours was like in March.
Yeah. March,
Our shit,
April.
our shit was March, bro.
Oh, it was March.
March.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah.
it was March.
Yeah, because I feel like our course, like the course after that, like Q like really started getting like big and like the trend lines and shit like that. So like really
Nah,
during our
yeah, bro. That's when he started putting hella emphasis on like the counter trend lines and shit like that.
yeah, kind of trend lines. Yeah. So yeah, because really at first, he was like wait for it to break a lower high type shit and then retest and then enter. Like doing it this way, it just it gives you like sometimes it can give you like a little bit of a better entry. But
Okay.
I got a
Yeah,
trend line.
because it's all about seeing momentum shift. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah. And then so I had plotted this right here. We got a touch. You can see it's being respected this whole time on a 15-minute time frame. And then so what I'm looking for, I'm either looking for like a candle, like 2 candles, kind of like the same thing when you seeing like a break. Like you want to see one candle close on it, followed by another like decent candle closing above it. So my entry is right here on this candle right here. So shit, my stop loss would have been under here somewhere. And then being that we do like when I do my fibs, usually it's like for targets and shit like that. So where I got all that. Three 2010.
Hey, Devin.
Yo,
One of my students bought US 30, bro. Goddamn 1,500 profit, bro.
whew. That boy eating.
Crazy, bro.
What he throw? What you say he throw on it?
0.02. He called 0.02 at 26999 and caught 1,100 off that. Then he threw a 0.02 at 27379. Ooh, caught $400. That's tough.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Off 2 orders, bro. One day.
Yeah, so
That's fair. Nah, I appreciate that. That's mad helpful.
yeah, so shit, yeah. So I end up getting out. I ain't get out till like I'm trying to see where I got out at. I got out at that negative 61.8. So yeah, that's the only time I really use like fibs is like for take profits. Sometimes I use it for stop losses. So I got out at 33833. Yeah, so that was like 99 pips. And then like really just like you know what I'm saying, just maintain the orders and stuff like that. Just try to stick to like the higher time frames. But that's really about it, bro. Like with USD CAD, bro, like I said, it's inversely operated to oil. They
Mhm.
respect a lot of like patterns and stuff. But like, I like USD CAD, like you know what I'm saying. But like that US 30, bro, Vontae done put me onto that, man. I'm like, dang, I might stop trading this, but you know, I mess with it though.
Work my way up to that.
Yeah,
I think I'm
yeah.
getting there. I caught some of that drop earlier.
You did, bro.
That's
I
it.
didn't catch.
Yeah,
I wasn't even looking at it, bro. I ain't catching none of it.
yeah.
Yeah,
But
I ain't catch that
I
shit.
missed some today. But ah, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. The confidence is building, yo. I feel it.
Yeah, yeah. That's all it is, bro. You really like, cause like I struggled with that at first too, bro. And just like talking to Vontae and just like being like the first class that he TA'd, like it just come with time, bro. Honestly,
Mm.
it just come. It ain't like you really can't rush it, bro. Like
It's time and repetition, man.
yeah, for sure. Just make sure you like back testing, just doing all that, and like having like a real plan. You know what I'm saying? Like a real trading plan. That helped me out a lot.
Yeah.
Cause it's you know what I'm saying. If you have like, usually I won't take a trade unless
Share
I
your
have like
screen, David.
What?
Share your screen, bro.
Let's see.
yeah, but like usually I won't take a trade unless I have like 3 to 5, like sometimes 2 to 3, 3 to 5 like confirmations. Well, 2 to 3 actually, 2 to 3 confirmations, and it's like if you got those 2 to 3 confirmations, bro, pull the trigger, bro. Because if you don't, it's just gonna mess up your psychology. You can be like,
Yup.
dang, I should do that. You like, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta pull it, honestly.
So yeah, like you were saying, we're in the drop right now. It's coming back to retest this last push, pretty much.
Yeah.
Coming back to make a new lower high, or either that or we're gonna break this level, but we're getting pretty close. It seems like it's losing momentum. I caught some probably around here, around here, and I held it most of the day to 60. Well, yeah, to about here. Let's see.
So what made you get out?
Honestly, I was just holding it for most of the day and then pulled back for a little bit. But that's pretty much it. It got like 30, 40 pips off of it.
Oh yeah, decent move for today, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially on UCAD.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, I wish I stayed in. I just kind of felt like I was catching the falling knife at that point. You know what I mean?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
That's how it be feeling, boy.
Yeah.
Feel like when you on that roller coaster right before you about to drop.
Mhm.
Yeah, man.
But I mean, it feels good knowing like at least my bias was kind of right. And once I saw on the 4 hour, yeah, we just have like we drew it up on Sunday. It broke that previous level of
Support.
support right there. The EMA crossed right beforehand. They crossed early in the morning, but yeah. I saw that when I woke up, gave it a little time,
Yeah.
give me like, let me see. We go down to the 30.
And so you got in on kind of like a continuation type of move.
Yeah, pretty
Okay.
much.
So did you how did you feel as far as like lot size wise?
That was the thing, because like the previous level of resistance was like 40, 50 pips away.
Exactly.
So I only went like with a 0.1.
Okay. Yeah, so it's cool because you made up for you compensated basically.
Yeah.
That's what you're supposed to do.
But yeah, so yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that, bro. Like that's
Okay.
what you're supposed to do. Risky areas, like me and Devin was just talking about that. Like when it came to US 30 type stuff, like it's certain lot sizes that I use when I'm risking. You know what I'm saying? When I know it's risky, and certain lot sizes I use when I'm moderately, you know what I'm saying, confident about what's going on, and then when I'm for sure is my max lot size. You know what I'm saying? So it's like just understanding, and having those rules and being able to put rules to those lot sizes. You know what I'm saying? So that way you follow your plan. And like I said, keep remembering that you're trading in series of trades. You know what I'm saying? So it's not about one trade. You know what I'm saying? We think in longevity, we think in series of trades, out of 10 trades, out of 15 trades. You know what I'm saying? So it's like if you got, like, all right, bet based off this 23.6 area, zooming out on the daily time frame, understanding momentum. All right, bet I know I can use this lot size because it's my risky lot size. But I know if I'm at a 61.8 retracement with a dough top pattern and confluence with a trend line, then I know I can up my lot size and use my, you feel me? So that's how you should be thinking, like depending on what part of the market I'm in, what environment I'm in, that determines the risk that I'm gonna put on my account.
For sure. All right. Yeah, and I couldn't go like if I had at least, I mean, maybe like 20 pips or so like as a stop, I probably do like a 0.2 on there. Like normally if I get a better entry, I wouldn't mind, you know what I mean, dropping like a 0.3 just right with my account size right now. But
right. And just always remembering like to be zooming back out on that higher time frame once after you entered, bro, and you caught that initial push that you needed to give you, like, you know what I'm saying? You should be on your main analyzing time frame like 80% of the time.
okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like that makes the difference in how many pips you catch and how you're looking at things. Because if you enter on M30 and you maintaining on M15 or you maintaining, you know what I'm saying, on those low time frames, bro, like motion everywhere, bro.
Yeah, you're gonna end up like messing yourself.
Yeah, you're gonna end up taking yourself out the trade. Like that's what's gonna happen. Or you're gonna think, or what's gonna happen is you're gonna close early and then the move's gonna keep going and you're gonna be like, you're gonna be trying to jump back in at that point and kill everything. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's just like, let the psych stuff, you know what I mean? We already deal with enough when it comes to the psych stuff. Don't add more to it. You know what I'm saying? By, you know what I mean? Not being disciplined, basically. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But no, that's smooth, man.
I wish I would have looked at it. I was looking at it, but I was just so focused.
And I looked at it at the beginning of NY, and I was just like, I don't know what told me to look at it. I was just like, man, let me look at it. I looked at it, I seen what was going on. I was like, man, I'm not about to wait on this when I know Nas about to take off. I know he's about to take off. You know what I'm saying? Because you remember I told you what time them joints be firing, G.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying, Devin?
Yeah, today was low key, like, I don't know, it was a little like later.
Yeah.
I feel like
that shit fired though, man, because I caught, man, only if you do it right. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. Cause I caught GU. I caught GU last night. Look at go to GU. Matter of fact, I'll show y'all.
Bro, I tried, bro. I can't mess with no pound pairs, bro. I be trying to bet and look at them. I can't do it.
You're sick.
I can't do it, bro.
Yeah.
David, you cat the only the pair that you trade?
Yeah, for now.
No, yeah, that's good, bro.
Yeah, pretty much just go focus on this. What's up?
I was the same way, bro. I was doing like 2-3 pairs, bro. Trying to trade 2-3 pairs, bro. I was so inconsistent. And like when I started like just focusing on like one, like that's when you really start to see like, you know what I'm saying, your growth, bro.
Like I'm seeing how it moves. It's kind of
and you learn it, bro, and like it's gonna come natural.
Well, I say GU, right? That's what I call it.
But yeah, I don't know. I'm getting a good feel for it, man. I'm just I get what you're saying.
Remember that oil thing, bro. It's gonna help.
What's up?
I said, remember that oil thing. It's gonna help you.
Okay, appreciate that, man.
Yeah.
Oil, you said it respects the hell out of.
Devin, do you see how crazy my entry was, bro?
Yeah, you ate that,
bro. TP got smacked, bro. Like it took me out. TP got smacked, bro. Like shit got smacked, bro. Like woke up.
Hey, but David, it's the WTI crude oil. So just like have that chart like on your watch list.
Okay.
And it's inversely operated. So like it do opposite things. You know what I'm saying?
WTI.
Yeah, just if you type in US oil, just like it like I just use the TVC one because like the candle's not all broken up and all that, like how I be on the other ones. But yeah, it should say WTI crude oil TVC.
Crazy.
And then like I said, so whenever oil going up, USD CAD going down. And usually, bro, like usually oil will do the move before USD CAD do.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's crazy.
All
right, nice. I appreciate that, man.
Yeah.
I had this break in this joint too, bro.
Wait, so which candle you got stopped off on?
What, in GU?
With Nash.
With Nash?
Yeah.
I got stopped out with this shit. What's up, bro? Yeah, I got stopped out on this shit, bro.
Oh, that?
Yeah. Because my entry was right here.
Yeah.
Entry was right here.
That's a good little spot, bro. You still ate.
It's still so I had when it was wicked out and then it started pushing and shit. I was just like, man, let me put my stop loss like right here, stop loss and profit. So anything, because I had this right here, so I knew it could do some wild shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like I knew this shit could hit, do this. You know what I'm saying? Do some shit before it's ready to, you know what I mean, start getting back right.
Yeah.
So
you weren't wrong, bro.
I ain't feel like I was wrong either, bro. I just, you know what I'm saying? And to be honest, bro, this only like my second week trading NAS, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? I've been smacking the 30, but
I already know, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
I was when you sent me that, bro, I had to go back and look at it. I'm like, bro, like where could I have got in on that?
Yeah, bro. Quick scout.
Honestly.
You know what I'm saying? I can't keep showing y'all all my secrets, man. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck, man? Yeah, bro. You know, but no, when I seen this shit down here, you know what I'm saying? Like I was saying, had the break that happened right here. You had that higher low happen. You had that break of resistance that happened. You had the maintain support that happened right here along this area, giving you like that sort of look. You know, and then from that point on, you had the break that happened here. Still maintain support areas. Came up to this area right here, which is previous resistance based off of previous, trend line. So back touch of the trend line. So that's why I had it going up here. But I wasn't about to sit through all of that shit. And then I missed after after it broke out and shit. Like I was done by like in the NY because I was already in NAS. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't take US 32. I was just like, you know, well, I'm trying to be too greedy, bro. I felt like I was already doing a lot today.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I was just
Bro, I definitely got greedy on Sunday.
But just y'all get a gist of like what I be looking for though, like I was like main support areas, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then I'm trying to take advantage, you know what I mean, based off where the area is at.
Yeah.
At this certain time. So it's like during the rest of the day, like I'm probably like analyzing, but I'm not so much trying to execute trades or anything like that, you know. And then like when I get back, hop back on charts, you know, just to analyze during like Sydney session and shit like that, Asian session. Like I'm not so much ready to execute. I'm still just analyzing, you know, but I'm more so planning. Like where could this go? What am I seeing right now that could, if momentum came, you know what I'm saying, could dictate price, you know what I mean? And then I'm always looking at, you know, how the daily's looking and how, you know, the weekly's closing out as well. So it's like shit looking good, man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
6 hours. What that look like?
You know, that's how I get my overall projections.
Yeah. Hey, Vontae, let me see what that 6 hour look like.
Yeah. Oh shit! So you about to run out of time, y'all.
What they need to do.
Yeah.
You couldn't fuck that shit. I ain't got no time for that shit. Yeah, no. That's
So all it is, man, is just being patient at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what we doing. We sticking, trying to be patient, trying to make sure that we taking quality trades over quantity. You know what I'm saying? Like that's the biggest thing, bro. Especially like with this election stuff going on. Like, you know, just be patient. You know, especially understand it's going to be high volatility coming into the market during certain sessions, NY session, London session, you know, so just be on top of like checkinginvesting.com for fundamentals, you know, Bloomberg.com for certain fundamentals that can give you an edge, you know, and things like that too, and just see where the majority of the momentum is and just flow with the majority of the momentum. That's the best thing I could tell you, you know, and just make sure when you're entering off of your entry base points being, you know, major support, major resistance, you know.
Okay.
Type shit. Other than that, we good, man.
Yeah.
Do y'all probably get back on with you probably like Thursday, bro? That's smooth.
Thursday's perfect, man.
All right, that's a bet. Hey, Devin, hit phones, G.
Yeah, I got you.
All right, brother. Y'all be safe, man.
All right, you too, my boy.